Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another amazing recipe. On today's video, we are doing Bajia. This is Indian Bajia, the original Bajia. Bajia is a snack originated from India and commonly enjoyed here in Kenya and Tanzania, where most Indians settled. The key ingredient here is gram flour mixed with vegetables of your choice and water, then deep fry. Now we are going to start right away. These are some of the green ingredients I'm going to use. I have the organic garlic, and of course I love spring onions when it comes to bhajia. I'm going to chop them, finely chop them. Thanks everyone for stopping by my channel. And if you're clicking this video for the first time, feel welcome. This is a home of delicious meals from Kenya and across the world. Feel most welcome and let's grow together and become great cooks together. In this video, if you watch it keenly, you will know the difference of bajia and viazi karai. Most of us normally confuse viazi karai for bajia. Viazi karai is that one you slice some potatoes and dip it in all-purpose flour with some spices or even the gram flour and you fry it. This one here is a different one, so just watch this video up to the end and you will know the difference between the viazi karai and authentic bajia. This recipe I learned from a chef cousin of mine. If you've ever eaten any bhajia in an Indian restaurant, this is the bhajia. Now I want to show you the secret. Those chefs, they never want to share them. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe, support my channel. Help me grow this channel and share this video, the link, share with everyone in your family, friends, colleagues. So I'm gonna use potatoes too. Just peel the potatoes and clean them well. Keep watching the video so that you don't miss each and every step. And I will be sharing the exact measurement of ingredients in the description box as I always do. So maybe I can forget to say, but for sure I will leave it in the description box. So kindly check. This is a simple recipe. You can try it at home and enjoy it with your loved ones. And the good thing about it, most of the ingredients are just in your kitchen there. Maybe only gram flour, but you can get it in your local supermarket. So I'm going to transfer my green veggies in a bowl and put them aside, mix well. So this is the gram flour I'm going to use. I'll use 1.5 cup of gram flour and mix with the all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons tomato powder, cayenne pepper, garam masala, salt, and spice it up with some spices. Give it a good mix. Add water gradually to form batter here. For this water, for sure, I didn't measure. I'm just eyeballing, but just mix it until you get the consistency, this kind of a batter, not so thick, not so thin. Then I think you've realized I've not added some baking powder. I will add it at the end, because if you add it earlier, it will make your butter to be a little bit thin. It will thin it. Then I will grate my potatoes. I will use 1.5. I just need kidogo. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? And don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you like this kind of content, this is the right channel for you. Hit that subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you'll be there among the first ones to get notified. I've just added the baking powder. I'm adding now the grated potatoes into my butter, and of course some garlic paste. And always, if you are doing this recipe, just follow what I've just done. Don't grate your potatoes too early because they will turn color. Add your finely chopped vegetables and mix them well. This is the right consistency. So in a pan, add some vegetable oil and turn off your stove, set it to a medium high. Of course, you cannot talk of bajia and you don't think of chutney. So we're gonna make a chutney to go along with our tasty bajia. As I wait for my oil to get hot, there's something about this organic garlic. More so when I'm doing some chutney or even my bajia, I just don't want that generic one. I'm gonna blend it, then I'll bring back. My oil is ready. I'll use this ice cream scooper to scoop my butter. Fry your bajias in a medium heat, and make sure your flame is not too high so that it will cook well inside and out. Very hot oil will just burn the bajia outside and it will not cook well in the inside. So always regulate your heat to medium so that your oil doesn't get so too much hot. Look at the bajia, it's already looking lovely, and the aroma here. My kitchen is smelling heavenly. You can imagine, if you know, you know. And I will be flipping it. I just want it to turn light brown, golden brown. I don't want it to be darker. But by the way, I've been contemplating for long to do this bajia recipe. But now, I could not do it. I could not do it because whenever I try to check on those who are doing bajia, they're doing their recipe in that deep Swahili, the ndani one. And of course, my Swahili is bad, so I was like, hey, how will I do the bajia in English and will they even get it? I don't know. Okay. Kindly let me know what you think about this content, or we'll do a voiceover in Kiswahili. My bhajia is perfectly done the way I like it. I love this color of bhajia. I don't like the darker brown one. It's perfectly done. Look at it. And the aroma here, my dear. Guys, try this recipe. And if you try it, kindly let me know in the comment section below. You've seen how easy it is. And it's a quick fix. It doesn't even take much time. And this bhajia, you can serve it any time of the day. You can snack it, you can use it as a meal. It's an all season meal. And even the kids will love it. This is just perfect. Look at it, so lovely. I love the color. It's well done. Look at it. Guys, it was nice hanging out with you. Thank you for watching my video up to this end. So this is our tomato chutney. It's not very hot. I just added some tomato to sweeten it. If you don't have tomato, you can add some honey or even sugar to sweeten it. So it's kind of a ketchup, or what name should we give it? Hot and sweet, yeah. This goes along well with chutney. And I also have some coconut chutney that I made earlier. I will share the recipe on my next video of how to make this coconut chutney. This one has a lot of chili. Now this is how we serve the bajia fritters. Look at it, so yummy, 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 yummy. See how the inside is full and it's well done. It's not soggy. It doesn't have a lot of oil. You can even tell from my fingers, you would have seen a lot of oil.
It has a little chili. This one has hot chili. Chutney.
If you like what you're seeing,
Coconut
hit that
chutney.
subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Suppose you try this recipe, kindly let me know in the comment section how yours turned. I will be glad to know. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.